What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. As you can see right now, I'm still in my dress clothes because I actually just came from work. So here I am recording this video straight from work for obvious reasons because I'm excited. And if you can tell by the title, you probably know why I'm excited. Basically, we just hit 5 figures on my Robinhood account. I have other investment platforms that I use to invest money in, but Robinhood is actually what we've been following on the channel for so long. And I just hit $10,000 invested on Robinhood today, thanks to Pfizer. So let's get into the video. Let's go. By the way, before I get into this video, once again, I'm doing something with the lighting. If it's too bright, let me know. If it's too dark, let me know. I'll find out in editing. I haven't had time to edit anything yet, but I'll probably do that today and I'll probably find out in editing myself. But either way, if you like the lighting or whatever, you know, it's cool, you know, let me know down in the comment section down below. Also hit me up down in the comment section down below if you have any video requests, anything like that. This is a personal finance channel, but obviously I cover all different types of things. So if any questions like that, check out the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, let me know down below, and we'll be all Gucci. Either way, if you lived under a rock today, which sometimes you guys really do be under that rock, like you really be at Patrick's house.
Who are you people?
Because there's no way that you don't know this information. But either way, today, Pfizer announced that they have a 90% effective vaccine, basically for, I don't know if I can say the word without getting demonetized, so I'm not going to say the word, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the pandemic that's going on outside. Pfizer announced that they have a 90% effective vaccine for it, and the stock market basically was like,
All right, let's see what this thing can do. Markets are made to be broken. Come on!
the market basically put itself in overdrive. Almost every single stock I own in my portfolio is up a decent amount, some of them tremendous amounts, and we'll go over them here in this video just to name a few. So let's just jump into my portfolio real quick and we can talk about it. Normally I do Robinhood portfolio update videos once every single month, usually at the beginning of the month, and it basically just lets you guys know every single month what I'm invested in, what I'm buying, what I'm possibly selling, what I already sold, anything like that. Some news sometimes, it really depends on the timing and everything like that. But in this video, I'm not going to be doing all that because those videos are pretty long, pretty drawn out. In this video, I'm basically just going to go over my portfolio real quick, like super quick, like 2 minutes type of quick, and just basically go over some of the stocks that had huge gains today, why it matters, and yeah. So let's do that. So let's open up Robinhood and let's see. Space ID and we're in. So right now we are sitting at a whopping $10,040.01. Overall today I'm up $486.44, and in after hours I'm up another $5.07. As I mentioned before, the company that made all of this possible today is Pfizer. They had the vaccine. It's coming very soon. I'm assuming so because they're 90% effective. So I'm assuming it's coming pretty soon because that makes a lot of sense, right? But either way, overall, up today about $500. At one point, I was actually up almost $700, or actually over $700. So yeah, at one point today, I was up $712. Absolutely ridiculous, but I'll take the $500 gain nonetheless. Overall, the past week, I'm up $700. Obviously, that's all due from the overnight or basically the weekend of gains. But a really important thing to note about this video and just investing in general is that you should always invest consistently. You should invest no matter what the market is doing, if it's going up, if it's going down. If you invest consistently, you're overall always going to be on top. And in this case, that's what happened. I invested consistently in all the stocks that I basically own, and overall I'm up in basically all the stocks that I basically own. And I can basically prove that because it's all right here in my portfolio. So let's actually scroll down a little bit and go to Pfizer. So as you can see right here, today's return with Pfizer, I'm only up $32 and I own about 10 shares of Pfizer. Let me go ahead and click on it. Pfizer is sitting at about $39.60 right now, and overall it went up about 8% today. That's cool and everything, and I made $32 from it, but like I mentioned before, I'm overall up $500 in my portfolio because of just because of Pfizer, but I didn't make my money all from Pfizer. I made my money because of the good news. So basically what I'm saying is you should always try to diversify your portfolio. You should not invest in one particular thing because obviously if I had 100 shares of Pfizer, I would have made more money today. But overall, if I had 100 shares of every stock I own and maybe it's still the only 10 shares of Pfizer, that would have made even more money. So Pfizer, obviously they made the vaccine. That's cool, but that's not my overall top gainer for the day. And due to the vaccine, everything else is up. If we go look at some of the other stocks I made a lot of money in today, like the stock right below Pfizer, Boeing, you can see I'm up today $101. So you can see that's a decent amount. That's up 13%. That's a decent amount of money. That's basically 20% of my $500 that I'm up by. But basically, like I said, with Boeing, it's cool because Boeing basically makes airplanes. Since the vaccine is basically good and it'll be good going forward, assuming everything works out, then people can basically fly again. If people can fly again, then things like airplanes will go up. So Southwest will go up, American Airlines, United, all those will go up. And the people that make those planes, like the Boeing 757, they'll go up as well. And in this case, it did. So I made a lot of money from Boeing today. I made a lot of money from Pfizer. I mean, a decent amount of money from Pfizer. I also recovered a lot of money from stocks that I was down in. For instance, Cinemark and AMC. I'm not personally invested in AMC because I don't like AMC. And if you watch my videos, you would know that. But Cinemark, I was up basically 60% today, which is ridiculous. And I was overall down with Cinemark by about 30% last week. So the fact that obviously with a vaccine, movie theaters can open back up, people can go back to the movies, people can live their life the way they want to live their life again, obviously all these stocks would be up.
Sensational.
Basically, all I'm saying is, and all I'm trying to get in this video is that I just hit 5 figures on Robinhood. So as a personal goal for me for 2020, also to diversify your portfolio, diversify yourself. So not even when it comes to investing, diversify yourself when it comes to life. Just simply learn new things and be consistent while you're learning those new things or doing those new things. It's that simple. That's all I'm really trying to get in this video. It's basically just like a 2020 goal update video because that was one of my goals in 2020 was to hit $10,000 in Robinhood. I didn't expect it to hit it as soon as I did. I knew I would probably hit it, assuming the market, held pretty steady, but I didn't expect to hit it today. And that's all I got to say. It's pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited, and that's kind of it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit it with a like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Robinhood videos or personal finance videos in general, because I have plenty of those already on the channel. I don't know why I point over there. I'll point down there because hit that subscribe button. Go check out the rest of the channel. I have tons of stuff for you. You'll find something you like. I can pretty much guarantee it. And if you want to jump into Robinhood, invest in some money, in some stocks, then hit that link down below because I have a Robinhood link down below, which will give you a free stock. And if you want to invest anywhere else besides Robinhood, just in case you don't like Robinhood, well, I got a Webull down below. So if you invest with Webull down below, you'll get at least 2 free stocks valued up to, I believe, at least $8 each. So you're basically getting $16 for free just for signing up as long as you deposit $100. Then you can go ahead and sell it. And also you can invest in M1 Finance because that's also down below. I haven't made a full-blown video on M1 Finance because I'm trying something new with it, but it's another place to invest. You'll get a free $10 just for signing up using my link down below. So if you enjoyed this video, like I mentioned before, then hit that like button. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.